We believe that everybody with a smartphone can create amazing looking videos. We believe that there are too many moments in life that only happen once with the people that we love that remain uncaptured. We believe that with some know-how and the mentorship, everybody can create amazing looking videos. Smartphone filmmaking has some rules and guidelines that one has to know. Smartphone filmmaking, like everything else, does take practice to perfect it, but once you have that and once you start trying it, you will get better and better, and you will capture everything in life that really matter without having to bring a big bulky camera. Recently I was on a vacation with some friends in the mountains, 2,400 meters of height, almost 4 hours of hike. It was awesome. Well, but who would bring a big DSLR camera up there? Well, nobody. But guess who had their phone? Well, everybody. And this made it possible to create shots like this. If you want to learn how you can get similar results, do you want to learn how you can create shots like this without spending thousands of dollars on gear? Well, then make sure to watch our totally free webinar. It's jam-packed with value, and I will also share with you the top 5 secrets to shooting cinematic videos with your smartphone. So what you're waiting for? I'll see you there.